and today I am going to teach you small letter W. In previous video we did small letter V. So V after which letter come? Yes, that is W. So today I am going to teach you how to write small letter W. So have a look. We have to write small letter W in this two blue lines only, okay? Now, what we have to do? First we have to make one slanting line like this. Blue line to blue line. Then we have to make another slanting line like this. Then touch this line and go down again like this. And then again we have to make one slanting line. Which letter is this? This is small letter W. W for watermelon. Again we have to see how to write small letter W. First we have to make one slanting line like this. Blue line to blue line. Then we have to make another slanting line like this. Downward blue line to upper blue line. Okay. Now again we have to make one slanting line like this. Okay. And then again we have to make one slanting line like this. This is called small letter W. Again you have to see W for watch. First we have to make one slanting line like this. Then we have to go up. Then we have to make one down slanting line. And then we have to make one up slanting line. Okay? Zigzag. This is called W. Small letter W. Again. One slanting line. Then up. Then down. And then again up. This is called small letter W. In which line we have to write small letter W? Blue line only. We have to write small letter V also in blue line, and W also we have to write in blue line. Have a look, see. First you have to make one slanting line like this. Then you have to make one slanting line like this. Which alphabet is this now? V. Now we have to make one slanting line down, and then again we have to make one slanting line like this. This is called small letter W. Again up, down, and then up. Okay? See, slanting line, then one slanting line, touch. You have to touch this blue line. Then again one slanting line. Then again one slanting line. Okay, like this. This is called small letter W. See, it is easy to write small letter W. You have to make slanting line only. Okay. Now W for watermelon. W for ball. W for watch. See, this is called watch. W for watch. W for water. See, water. Okay. Again we have to see W for watermelon. In which season we get watermelon? Summer. Very good. In summer season we get watermelon. W for watermelon. W for ball. W for watch. We are using watch for seeing time. Okay. And W for water. We can't live without water. Okay. I hope you understand how to write small letter W. We have to write small letter W in this two blue line only. Okay. You have to see that you have to make slanting line zigzag like this. And it is easy to write small letter W. Okay. Now we will do alphabets with the help of flashcards. What is this? This is called flashcards. Okay. Now with the help of this flashcard we will do alphabets. Okay, first alphabet. Which alphabet is this? This is capital A and this is small a. A for ant and A for alligator. See, A for ant, A for alligator. Now, after A, which letter will come? Yes, that is small letter and capital letter B. This is capital B and this is small b. B for bag and B for bear. Where is bag? Yes, this is bag and this is bear. Now, which letter come after B? Come on, tell me. Yes, that is small letter C and capital letter C. Where is small letter C? This one. And where is capital letter C? This one. Okay. C for cat. Meow. And C for cake. Yummy, yummy cake. I know each and everyone like cake. Now, which letter come after C? Yes, that is D. Capital D and small d. D for door and D for duck. Where is door? Okay, and where is duck? Yes. Now, which letter come after D? Yes, that is E. Capital E and small e. Now, E for engine and E for egg. This is egg and this is engine. Now, which letter come after E? Yes. Yes. Capital F and small f. F for fan. F for frog. Where is frog? This one? No. This one is fan. This one is frog. F for frog and F for fan. Which letter come after F? G. Okay. Capital G and small g. G for goat and G for guitar. Where is guitar? Here. Yes. And where is goat? This one. Now which letter come after G? Come on, tell me. Yes. H. Capital H and small h. H for hand and H for heart. Okay. Now which letter come after H? I. Yes. Capital I and small I. I for ink and I for igloo. Where is igloo? Here. And where is ink? Here. Okay. Now which letter come after I? Yes, that is J. Capital J and small j. J for jelly and J for jam. This is jelly and this is jam. Now which letter come after J? Come on, tell me. Yes, it is K. Capital K and small k. K for key and K for kangaroo. Okay. Now which letter come after K? L. Yes. Capital L and small l. Capital L and small l. L for lollipop and L for leaf. Where is leaf? And where is lollipop? Okay. Now which letter come after L? Yes, that is letter M. Capital M and small m. M for mat and M for man. Where is man? Here. And where is mat? Here. Okay. Now which letter come after M? That is N. Capital N and small n. N for net and N for nose. Where is nose? Here. This is called nose and this is net. Now which letter come after N? O. O for capital O and small o. O for octopus and O for ostrich. Now which letter come after O? That is Yes, capital P and small p. P for penguin and P for pillow. Now which letter come after P? Yes, Q. Q for queen. This is capital Q and this is small q. Q for queen and Q for quill. Now which letter come after Q? Come on, tell me. R. Capital R and small r. R for rocket and R for ring. Yes. See, this is ring. R for ring. Now which letter come after R? That is S. Capital S and small s. S for soap and S for sandwich. Okay. Now which letter come after S? Yes, T. Capital T and small t. This is capital T and this is small t. T for table and T for top. Which letter come after T? S, T, then U. Yes. This is capital U and this is small u. U for up and U for empire. Okay. Now which letter come after U? U after V. Capital V and small v. V for vase and V for violin. Now which letter come after V? U, V, then W. Very good. W for wave and W for wool. Okay. I hope you understand how to write small letter W, and with the help of flashcard you get to know small letter and capital letters. So you have to take care of yourself. You have to do practice of small letter W at your home. Till then, bye bye. We will meet soon. Bye. Have a nice day.